Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on installing new fonts on your Mac. This will work whether you are using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac or any other Apple computer. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I'm going to download this font as an example. Locate the folder where your font was downloaded to. If it's in a zipped folder, double-click it to unzip it and then open the unzipped folder. Double-click the file whose name ends in .otf. This will open the font installer. Click Install Font. That font is now installed. If I open up a text editor, I can now choose the newly installed font and use it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.